Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So today we're going to be putting the full Akrapovic race system on the Diavel V4. So yeah, let's crack on with the video.
The future is unpredictable at times. But at the
What are you eating?
Go on, have what's this bit?
Oh, thanks. That's it. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Alright, let's open it on here, shall we? I've not been really doing anything, but I'll do my favourite thing in life.
What's that?
I'm going to film eating my roll. Well, that was very nice. Did you just suddenly realise you had a sausage over?
No.
Oh.
No, I made myself something and then I realised you haven't had anything. Can't let you go home without eating anything.
Food, everyone's got food, but no.
Cody ain't got no food.
Yeah, well, what do you mean? He's finished it.
I've got no food.
I very often wear gloves when I'm touching my plate.
Right, so this is it. We've never seen one of these, have we?
Never seen one.
We've been waiting for it to come in.
And here it is.
So this is the full Akrapovic race exhaust system for the Diavel. You get bubble wrap, pipe, springs, clamp.
How did they get this in this box?
Look at that. Look at that, baby. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is nice. In a minute. So we've got all that pipe work. So, going on this, what do you think of this exhaust?
It's big, isn't it?
It is quite big. I don't mind it, but I'm just not sure I like all the bulkiness of this bit.
Right.
Oh, great. Cody's turned off his music. I mean his bike. Shall I tell you some stuff about this
Tell me
exhaust?
all about this.
Well, alright, so guess the price.
Oh. 2,800.
Nowhere near. It's £5,037 and 12 pence. Plus fitting. You work for free anyway, don't you?
All the time.
So £5 to change it from that to that. It does look nice though. 7% more horsepower.
Yeah.
6% more torque. How much weight does it save? Remember, that's quite a big exhaust there.
15 kilos.
No, it's 11 kilos. So it has got baffles that can be taken out. Sound is 108 decibels. That's quite loud, isn't it? Take the baffles out, 109. Yeah, it looks cool. Now all we've got to do is get the other one off.
Yeah. That'd be fun.
Well, we've heard this before in the other video, so we know what these sound like. They're quite quiet, aren't they?
These are.
Look at that. There's a bit of scrap for you, eh?
Yeah, that is a bit of scrap.
Right, this is Paul's favourite song, this one's on now.
What's on now? Have you watched the film, Cody, Deliverance? Do you like that film? Burt Reynolds?
Scary.
Well, it's not.
It's not scary, I suppose, I guess it's a thriller. Yeah, you might not ever want to go out into the wilderness in America, ever.
All those men in dungarees.
Yeah, do you like men in dungarees?
No, I know Paul likes me on dungarees, but I'm not too much of a fan.
I'm not too much of a fan. That is some pipe under there. What's the other thing you watch on YouTube now? What's it called again?
Playing for change.
I'm going to have a little look. Who have you?
Look, you watch it, you'll go, I want to watch that.
Playing for change.
Yeah.
Oh, is this
But
the
when the
people?
levy breaks, it's the most important one. Turn it up though.
I'm going to turn it up.
Subway adverts.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh. We're in a bit of flood there, aren't they? Oh, it's quite dramatic, isn't it? Is this like the Deliverance? I don't know the song though.
Well, instead of listening to Pink Floyd all the time, you've got to be listening to some Led Zeppelin.
I like Gallows Pole.
Anything with gallows in you would like, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Come As You Are, Nirvana. Oh, yeah, I'll Give Me Shelter, Rolling Stones.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, they do quite a lot.
If I don't get some shelter, oh yes, I'm gonna fade away. Whoa, children,
Oh yeah, alright, I'll take a look at some of them. It's going to be heavy. Paul, delivery for you, mate.
Delivery.
Lucy, I couldn't believe how quick that
You
was.
look like you was wasted away.
Look, he needs food to keep going, he's run out. If you don't stoke the...
Face.
Let's have a look.
What you said of you.
I look exhausted. But did you watch the reaction ones as well?
Yeah, oh, that's what I like.
There was a bloke and a girl that they watched Pink Floyd. Their reaction to Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon.
Oh, yeah.
They were just tripping out.
Yeah. This geezer.
I know.
King KTF.
What's going on, KTF family? You already know what it is. Just listening to this right now, I don't know why, but I feel some type of way right now. Like I'm sitting here reflecting back on my life, my heart beating fast.
Remember when you were young? You shone like
It's funny because at the beginning of this song, remember when I said it made me feel like I'm sitting here reflecting back on my life, and now it's just saying, remember when you were young? That's crazy, bro. Shout out to Pink Floyd, man.
Can you lift that up for me? Show me how, tell me how heavy it is.
Definitely was a night show.
Shall we wonder how much that actual is?
Fucking hell.
That's what I just said. That is heavy.
That is heavy.
That is a bit of metal, isn't it? Feel that, Cody? Look at him pretending.
even lift?
Do you even lift, bruv?
We've got to push them forward enough to get in there to get the manifold out.
Alright, so that's all of that off. That's all of that off.
This is the last bit here. I'm just going to show you. So that's away.
Sweet, I can take that.
Alright, that's the standard one.
Now this one. It's all about the feeling in there, isn't it?
Oh, I've got some feeling going on there, I tell you.
Once you get that, you've kind of got a bit of space here to work on.
I'm not sure yet.
I think you're going to be lucky.
Well,
I think
if you think that,
I think, and I reckon you've got quite easy access.
we'll see.
Well, I say easy access. I'm saying easy access compared to the Street Fighter and the Panigale, because they're not easy access. I bet it's going to be getting this cover off's the problem.
Yeah. You've got hands like Jeremy Beadle.
What, or one hand like
One
Jeremy
hand like
Beadle.
Jeremy Beadle, you'll probably be alright.
That'd
Working
be-
on
that'd-
Ducatis.
That'd be like my hand and your hand. That's going to go on there. Bolt that up there. So that's the exhaust on. We're just going to get all this back together,
So it's
and then
like
we'll listen to it. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
it looks cool, and now we know the secret of how to do it. And
I've
we're
got
not
the
letting
key
on.
and you've
I'm
got
not
the
letting
secret.
on.
No, you're not letting on the secret. See, let's hear this, baby.
Shall we try?
Good on it,
Yeah.
but
Well, that's certainly got the right sound now, isn't it?
yeah, sounds right, that.
Jesus. Right, so we're just going to have a listen to the standard exhaust against this full system. Then we're going to get a gear on and take this bike out and see what it sounds like on the road. Right, you ready? You want to start that one up?
Yeah, I'll
Let's
start
listen
this
to the
one.
standard one. Already that sounds nothing like it, doesn't it?
You got the key?
I've got the key.
Put it in here anyway. You ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, that's a lot better, isn't it?
Completely different sound.
Yeah. Alright, it's fine. Let's have a listen. Jesus, it's got some sand to it, this baby. This is exactly what this bike needed. It's so easy to ride, so smooth. This bike really does sound good. I'm slightly stunned by how good this bike is. And now it's got exactly what it needs. Like, I know this exhaust is expensive, but if you're buying a Diavel V4, instead of it being 23.5 grand, you might as well say it's 28.5 grand, because you're 100% going to want this exhaust. And usually on a bike, and I will say usually on a bike, I like the sound of the downshift. See how that just cuts into the 2 cylinders? By riding like this, the bike, it don't seem over loud, but I reckon you're going to scare the shit out of some people when you overtake them. Man, these bikes. Everyone's got boats on the roofs of their cars, man. Must be boating season, look. Boat. Boat. Hoist miner. Yeah, wicked, man. It sounds wicked. Well, so that's the full Akrapovic system on the Diavel V4. Man, what a sound. It looks better, but it goes better. It's lighter. It definitely sounds better. What more do you want from this? It's a win-win all round. I think really with these Diavels now, instead of looking at them at a £23,500, you got to just think they're £28,500, because really you need this exhaust on this bike. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, and maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. We're going to need some tea and coffee and stuff soon. Why don't you go down there? You used to love going to Morrison. Then something changed.
I've got bollocking for it.
Yeah, but that's because you was going 8 times a day.
Well, today I am going to Morrison.
Oh, are you?
Oh yeah. Why? What are you doing down there, Bob?
I've got to
Do
get
you want
some
bubbles in your
coleslaw.
Do you want some bubbles in your tea?
Yeah.
We've got to get some coleslaw.
Yeah.
What for?
Dinner.
Just coleslaw.
Well, I don't want to like jump on that I've been cured, and then there's a miracle cure out there.
For
Go
what?
on.
My heartburn that I've had for 30 years,
Yeah.
and that I literally live with minimum of 12 hours a day
Due to your
of constant
diet. Due to your
pain.
diet.
Well,
Sorry, Bob.
you think it's due to my diet.
What is it then?
It's got to the bottom of it, Paul.
Well, not really got to the bottom of it. Maybe I'm jumping the gun, but yesterday, literally, I thought, oh, this is it. I'm dying.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
I'm dying. So I bought these tablets. You know, like you have all Rennies and Gaviscon and all that stuff. You take one a day.
Yeah.
They're quite dear.
Shall I call this?
Yeah, I thought I'll have 14. I'll buy the 14-day one, and then when I read it does say that this is medicine. You have to take them for the 14 days. Well, I took one yesterday. I think last
One
night.
what? Packet?
One tablet.
No.
I have it so much it wakes me up in the night, and I can't sleep. You know, some nights I choke to death, don't I? I'm like brand new.
What's this stuff called?
I don't know.
Mark, I do want to. Can I just say something? So, someone I know personally used to have the same problems, and he used to drink Gaviscon out of a bottle.
I drink it out of a bottle.
He died at 52 from a heart attack from his so-called heartburn. Because
How old are you now?
48.
oh, he's got
49.
A couple more years.
I've had one tablet. I'm cured. 30 years I've had heartburn.
Yeah, but you've been eating Haribos for 30 years.
No, that's alright.
sure.
Yeah, that's alright.
Just drop a Haribo in there.
Yeah, so I'm cured.
That's it, Paul. He's all right now.
Oh, I'm really pleased for you. It's going to change your life.
Look at me.
Yeah.
He's brand new.
I'm brand new.
Fantastic.
I can go back to eating fried bread every day.
Do you like fried slice, Paul?
I do, but not daily.
Especially on the old...
I might have a fried slice.
who's that, Nick? Canada?
Biscuit shipment.
Yesterday I had so many packs of Rennies on my van. I was thinking I'm going to have to tidy this up. It looks like I've got a problem.
Rennies are not strong enough, are they?
£7.50 for 7. I thought, I can't spend £7.50 a week.
Why? You smoke cigarettes.
Yeah. Yeah, so you've been out on your bike?
I went out on the bike. I did a lot of miles on the 350 yesterday.
Yeah.
It's great fun if you keep it up near the power band. Sounds good.
Yeah.
With the all speeds.
You got stopped in the garage, didn't you? Petrol garage.
I
Recognised.
stopped. Yeah, recognised. Asked where you were.
Yeah.
I said he's dealing with his heartburn.
Oh, well, that was good. And it's quite good that we're nearly at 10,000 subscribers.
It's a lot of people.
Yeah.
When's all the clothing, the range of clothing coming?
Oh, you know me. It took me 30 years to get my heartburn sorted out. By the time I get my t-shirts
I'll be
sorted
dead.
out,
I'll
you'll
dead.
be gone.
Yeah, you'll have you on the front and rest in peace. Paul,
Yeah,
on the back.
we could all wear them at your funeral.
We could.
Finally,
Wear
we've
'em.
got t-shirts.
Yeah.